is Green Bean, the boy, and Mac and Cheese, the girl. Look, they're right next to cats. No one's phased. They're very good. They're very sweet. They love to give kisses and be by you. They're very playful, just like puppies are. Oh, look at the paws. Hi. Oh my goodness, I'm getting attacked with love. So cute. Where's your toy? You wanna go get your toy? Come on, let's go get your toy. Go get your toy. They just want to be loved. They don't want the toy. They're exploring. There you go. Now you're playing. Bless you. They are looking for a treat. They love treats. Come here, Mac and Cheese. Hi, baby. Hi, Mac and Cheese. Hi, Green Bean. You want to come play with your toy? Ready? Go get it. They just want to hang around me. Come on. Come on.